Hey everyone, welcome back to Nomadic Investing. Today, we're diving into one of the most reliable ways to generate passive income. It is called dividend stocks. If you're looking to build a consistent and rewarding income stream, this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end to see a sample portfolio of high-yield dividend stocks that you can consider for your investment strategy. Let's get started. First, let's break down the concept of passive income. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part. Unlike active income, which requires your direct involvement, passive income streams work for you in the background. Examples include rental income, royalties, and dividends from stocks. Today, we're focusing on dividend investing. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of regular payments known as dividends. This makes them an excellent choice for creating a passive income stream. So how do you get started with dividend investing? Here are a few key steps to follow. Step 1. Research and select dividend stocks. Look for companies with a strong history of paying and increasing dividends. These are often large established companies with stable cash flows. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have a long track record of reliable dividend payments. These blue chip stocks are a great starting point for any dividend portfolio. Step 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across various sectors to reduce risk. This means investing in different industries like healthcare, consumer goods, and technology. A well-diversified portfolio can withstand market volatility better and provide a more consistent income stream. Step 3. Reinvest your dividends. Many companies offer dividend reinvestment plans or DRIPs, allowing you to reinvest your dividends to purchase more shares. This can significantly boost your returns over time through the power of compounding. Reinvesting dividends means your dividends start earning dividends, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your portfolio growth. Step 4. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure the companies you've invested in continue to perform well and meet your income goals. Make adjustments as needed to maintain a healthy balance. Staying informed about your investments helps you make timely decisions to maximize your passive income. Now, let's take a look at a sample dividend stock portfolio that generates consistent passive income. This portfolio includes some of the top dividend-paying stocks on the USA Stock Exchange. First one is Johnson & Johnson, also known as J&J. A healthcare giant with a diverse product line, J&J has a strong history of paying and increasing dividends. With a dividend yield of around 2.5% and a reputation for stability, J&J is a solid choice for any dividend portfolio. Second highest paying dividend yield stock is Coca-Cola, with ticker symbol KO. Known for its iconic beverages, Coca-Cola has been a reliable dividend payer for decades. With a dividend yield of about 3%, Coca-Cola offers both income and growth potential. Third stock is Procter & Gamble with ticker symbol PG. A leader in consumer goods, Procter & Gamble has a long history of dividend payments and increases with a yield of around 2.4%. PG provides steady income and has a strong track record of performance. Fourth is AT&T, also known as T. A telecommunications giant, AT&T offers one of the highest dividend yields among blue chip stocks. With a yield exceeding 7%, AT&T is an attractive option for income-focused investors. Fifth and the last in my portfolio list is Realty Income Corporation, also known as O. A real estate investment trust, or REIT. Realty Income is known as the monthly dividend company. With a yield of around 4.2% and monthly dividend payments, it's perfect for those seeking regular income. There you have it, a roadmap to creating a passive income stream with dividend stocks and my dividend stock portfolio to get you started. Remember, the key to success is research, diversification, reinvestment, and regular monitoring. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications on more investment tips and strategies. What are your favorite dividend stocks? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.